Welcome, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50 and I'll show you how to hide apps. So first let's just open the settings application and then scroll down to security section, to the privacy section. Then tap to hide apps. Click here to settings because we should set a privacy password. We can use this one or we can use the different, just another type. For example, I'll go with the pattern. So just draw the pattern. Here we should just answer to the security question. For example, let's add here hard reset. Just click here to OK in the right upper corner, and now we should just select the applications which we want to hide. For example, this one. So set access code. Okay, we should now set here the access code. For example, in my case that will be from 1 to 4. Then just click here to OK. Wait a second, click to done, and now let's just hide a couple of apps. So let's just go here back to the screen, and we can see that we have not anymore there's our applications. So that's how to hide apps on our Realme device. If you want to just go back just to make these applications workable, just go here again to the hide apps, enter your password or draw the pattern, and just click on the switchers again to just unhide them. And now we can see there's 5 applications again here on our device home screen, and we can see them here again in the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.